a serious truck means to me is something I can get out of bed in the morning, go to work in these conditions that we're working in, and not have to go home and work on it at night. If I don't have to work on the truck every night, I got more time to spend watching my kids play sports. My company name is R&W Mathias. We haul forest products, pulpwood, veneers, saw logs, bird's eye, bolts, softwood pulpwood, hardwood pulpwood. Anything that our jobbers cut, we haul. Where they go to cut the wood is where we have to go to haul it. Right now we're running 4 trucks, and then my son has 1. What I like best about the Western Stars is they're really easy to work on. There's a lot of space between the cabs and the transmission. Like if you have to pull a transmission, we just pull one fuel tank and you can walk right into it, unbolt everything, get at it real easy. They've been bulletproof for us, and they have plenty of power when we're coming in these rough country. You know, they got enough power that they can lug down and pick right back up and keep right on going. The cabs, there's a lot of room in there. You know, like my wife and daughter, my youngest daughter ride with me. So I got the big bench seat in the passenger side. The cab is air ride, and all the suspension other than the front axle is air ride. So I got a 3/4 ton pickup, and this log truck actually rides smoother than a 3/4 ton pickup. When I hear Western Star, they're a well-built, tough truck. They're made for these conditions. Western Star, serious trucks.